Hello guys, welcome back to Nature Friends episode 2. We are almost there. Hold on. We're almost at our destination. How are you doing, Chris? Okay, so there's a bunch of water here.
Yeah.
Where's our destination? We just had sight of it. Hold on, let's get through the trees first. There's our destination.
Where?
Right there, those rocks. Right there. So yeah, and we have a long ways to go. It is very muddy and wet here. I don't think we're gonna make it. Oh yes, we are. We're right here.
Yeah.
Ah, no, dude, I can't. Yep, shit.
Shit.
We're stranded on this little piece.
Yeah.
No. Oh, he's taking a break for it. Go, run! Just run all the way over there.
My shoe! This is cold.
His shoe fell off. Are you gonna go get it?
I hate it.
If you're not gonna take it, that's deep.
Shit, this is cold.
Are we gonna have to go back?
Yeah, probably. I'm going back most definitely.
Hold on. Yeah, shit. Alright, well, we're going backwards.
Full second check.
You know, we just started filming, and that was a great intro to that pause, right? Well, so we failed our mission, yeah. Well, we're still trying to get over there. Yeah, if I can zoom back in. So yeah. Oh, there's a helicopter. SOS! Hold on. Help! Help! God damn it!
Fuck, it didn't work.
Yeah, I don't think they're gonna fucking listen, Chris.
Look at that big rock.
Wait, I wanna see! Oh my god!
It's a big fucking pig.
It's a big fucking froggy! Yeah. Hey, maybe that bird can help us. Don't you fucking even try. I've got it all worked out on a schedule. I have no idea what the heck that was. Hey, you made it. Nice job.
My mom's gonna be so angry.
You're not coming back. Where does that even lead to? You're doing parkour, man. Minecraft in real life. Holy crap. MLG Minecraft League Gamer. No, just kidding. Major League Gamer is what it stands for.
MLG stands for?
Major League Gamer.
No? I know what it is.
Mama Llama Gama.
Nope. Mama loves grandma.
Mama loves grandma. What? Mama loves grandpa. Woo! Ah, shit. Why did I do this? Oh, I'm not doing that. I'm going around. Bye, Chris. I think Chris is stuck. Oh, no, he's not. He's angry. His shoe fell off again. I have to escape. Over here. Ah, shit! He's mad because I left him behind. Oh, he's saying, wait, I'm not gonna wait. learned that if you keep your shoe in one single spot, your shoe will drown in water. So yeah, fuck that. In this area, I think we are lost. Unless we get up on top of the place, which is right there. It's literally like 5 feet away from us. On the camera, it might seem like maybe 20. Never mind. But hopefully we can climb snow. Am I right? But this is all water that we're walking on. Just snow got on it. It's like a huge stream just going down. Oh, oh God. Alright. Yes! We made it. Oh God. Yes. Oh God, now we can show you the beauty of what I said in the last episode. Oh, thank God.
We went
Shit. What, Chris?
We went through hell with Jesus.
Yeah, we went through hell with Jesus.
Right now, down there was the stairways to hell.
Yeah, it was a highway to hell. Oh shit, almost fell off. It's walking the wrong way.
I'm on a high.
Way to hell. I'm sick, I can't do that. Shit, why is this all water? Chris, don't walk up here. It's all water. Ow, ow, I'm literally having to stab myself. Chris, if you need to pee, now's the time to do it. You actually took it? Yeah. Hold on, I need to do that. I actually really need to go. Okay, so my business is taken care of. Children that are watching, probably should have paused it. But yeah, I don't know what to do now. Oh God. Chris, where the fuck did you go? Chris, where are you? Oh! Oh my God! Fuck you!
Bark.
Did you seriously say barkwood?
Yeah, that's exactly what it's called. Dogwood, I mean.
Dogwood. Really? Bruh. You mean Red Rocket wood?
I lost my shirt twice.
So after all the adventurous times of Chris losing his shoes, we finally made it. And my hair's in my face. Okay.
Hands in your face like
my hair is in my face is what I said. Finally, we have come to the moment we've always wanted to show you. Alright, Chris, stage 1 or stage 2? Alright then. Let's show you the beautifulness. This is stage 1. Stage 2 is up there. Now I'm gonna sit down. Chris, you can do the same. Look at this beauty.
I got the perfect plan now. Let's go find some froggies.
Go, what the fuck?
Hey, TTP. Tinkle, tinkle, poop.
TTP, tinkle, 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 poop. Tinkle, tinkle, poop.
Tinkle, tinkle.
Tickle, tinkle, poop. What the heck? What is that?
You know that feeling sometimes when you're pooping and poop comes out and tickles?
What the fuck? What the fuck are you talking about? Well, sadly, that's the end of this video. We made it to our destination, which is 2 episodes worth, which is like longer than half an hour out here. We spent longer than half an hour trying to get to our destination. Yeah.